Reacting sharply to the election results in West Bengal and Assam assembly election results, opposition leader Rahul Gandhi has accused the BJP of stealing the people's mandate and weakening Indian democracy. Rahul Gandhi termed the BJP's victory in both states a theft and described it as a major step in what he called the party's mission to destroy Indian democracy. He also came out in support of the Trinamool Congress, which was defeated by the BJP, and urged those celebrating the loss of Mamata Banerjee's party to put petty politics aside. In a post on social media platform X, Rahul Gandhi said, "Some in the Congress and others are gloating over TMC's loss. They need to understand this clearly. The theft of Assam and Bengal's mandate is a major step forward by the BJP in its mission to destroy Indian democracy." He further added, "Put petty politics aside. This is not about one party or another. This is about India." Meanwhile, the BJP strongly hit back at these allegations and also accused Rahul Gandhi of hypocrisy over his allegations against the Election Commission and EVMs, and claimed that the India bloc has completely fallen apart after the West Bengal election results. In a video post on X, BJP national spokesperson Shehzad Poonawalla alleged that Gandhi questions electoral processes only after defeats but accepts results where his party wins. Poonawalla accused Gandhi of making repeated allegations without evidence and said courts have not upheld such claims, aimed at avoiding accountability. He further criticized outgoing West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, accusing her of making similar allegations after her party's defeat. The BJP also claimed that the India bloc has completely fallen apart following the West Bengal election results. As the political war of words intensifies, the debate over the election mandate and the state of Indian democracy continues. So viewers, do you believe the current debate is about election results or broader democratic concerns? Let us know in the comment section for more such updates. Stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.